Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can make the Chevrolet Bel Air. Start by cutting up your lumber and plane it down to the right thickness. Transfer the patterns onto the wood and cut it out on the bandsaw. If you want my plans, you can become a Patreon on my Patreon page or become a member on my YouTube channel. Sand the wheel recesses smooth with the Dremel. Here I'm cutting out the middle layers with the seat. Glue the two middle layers together. Sand the inside smooth. Let's make the wheels. They have a diameter of 28 mm and they are 9 mm thick. Put them in your drill and sand them smooth. Let's measure where the axle holes need to go in the body. Drill two 7 mm axle holes. Cut out the windows on the scroll saw. Now I'm making a groove in the seats with a small file. Let's make a small steering wheel and glue it in place. Transfer the shape of the wheel recess and the bottom line of the windows onto the outside piece of the car. Cut out the outside layers on the bandsaw and shape it on the belt sander. The wheel needs a bit more space, so I'm routing it out with the Dremel. Glue the two outer layers together. Cut the two layers flush on the bandsaw, except the back wheel recess. I've put some tape on it so I can't make a mistake. Sand it flush with each other at the front. Use a small sanding stick to sand the windows smooth and flush with each other. Stick the two outside layers together with double-sided tape and cut them flush on the bandsaw. Now you can glue on the two outside layers. While the glue is drying, I will be making the roof. Support your car with a scrap piece of lumber from the half layer. Sand the roof smooth on the belt sander. Tilt your bandsaw table to a slight angle and cut the bottom of the car. Keep adjusting the fence until you're happy with it. Tilt your table a bit more for the top of the car. Sand away the bandsaw marks. Now let's make some holes for the lights on the mortising machine. Always check if you're happy with it. So yes, I wanted to insert my plug cutter in the drill press, but I dropped it and now it's gone into the pipeline. So for the moment I can't make the headlights. I ordered some new one, but in the meantime let's make the bumpers. I'm giving the bumpers some shape with router bits. Let's cut out the bumper. With a flush trim saw, I'm giving the bumper some more shape. I did the same with the back bumper. I cut away a notch, as you can see. Now I will sand it a bit more on the belt sander. For the rear bumper, I'm also using the router. Here I will be shaping the bonnet of the car. I have a question for you guys. Does somebody know another technique to do this instead of using a sanding drum? It would be very appreciated. This method takes a lot of time to remove a lot of material at the same time. I will be using this carving bit to shape the front between the lights. Here I'm rounding over the edges of the roof a bit. Now it's time to shape the back. The car has some lines on the side. I first draw them with a pencil and then I thought it was a good idea to wood burn it. But I don't have a steady hand, so it was not nice. Drill 2 8mm holes in the bumper. I've made 2 small spikes from an 8mm dowel. Glue them in place. So my new plug cutter set arrived, so I made 10mm lights. Glue on the front bumper and give it some more shape at the sides with the Dremel. As I told you before, I was not happy with the lines I wood burned onto the car, so I will be making some out of black veneer. This is the rear bumper. I made it with the same techniques as the front bumper. Now let's glue on the veneer strip. I'm cutting the veneer flush with the car, but as you can see, I better weight it with gluing on the rear lights. Drill 3mm holes for the mirrors. The last step is to glue in your wheels and cut the axles flush. Put some finish on it. I'm using mineral oil, but which finish do you like the most to put on your wooden cars? Let me know in the comments down below. Hi, did you like this video? Be sure to give it a thumbs up and watch these other videos of wooden toy model cars. I'm sure you will like them. Bye! I'll see you in one of these videos!